Hi there, I'm Mark from Mark Smith Builders. I established my business in 2009. As a licensed builder, you can assure your home is getting built by a qualified tradesman. This is a job we're doing over in Governor's Bay. Been here for the last 5 months on this hill site. It's been a challenge, which has been great. New all stripped out off the walls, new cladding, new cedar weatherboards, butyl roofs. As you can see on the dormers up here, curved windows around the back. It's been a challenge, but it's been very interesting and great along the way. This is an extension that we have done over in Taitab. As you can see here, it's all the linear green weatherboards there. One living area, one bedroom and bathroom, ensuite, and a big walk-in wardrobe. I will work alongside you to make sure everything is delivered to a very high standard, regardless of the cost and the size, from building your dream home to everything in between.